Hello guys, how are you? Today in this video I will show you how to write superscript and subscript in Microsoft PowerPoint preparations using Windows shortcut. Uh, Writing subscript and superscript for everyone is a difficult task because you will not get any active icon in Microsoft PowerPoint. So you will use simply Windows shortcut. For example, if you write subscript like this chemical reaction, this number 2, this and this should be written as a subscript. So in order to do this, you will use a simple window shortcut, that is Ctrl plus equal sign. In your window shortcut, you can use Ctrl plus Shift. By selecting the number you need to write as a subscript. But if you need to write superscript, you will also select the number you need to make a superscript. Then you will use Ctrl plus Shift plus equal sign. For example, let me see this with a simple example. For example, this number 2 should be written as a subscript. So you should have to select first, then Ctrl plus Shift, I mean Ctrl plus equal sign. So if you made Ctrl plus equal sign, you will get subscript 2. If you select also number 4 and you make Ctrl plus equal sign, you will get also a subscript number. For example, if you have also another which can be used as a subscript, to hydrogen plus sign should be, or the plus sign should be written as a superscript. So by selecting the plus sign, Ctrl plus Shift and then equal sign, it becomes a subscript now. In a similar manner, number 4 should be also written as a subscript. So Ctrl plus equal sign, it becomes subscript. But 2 minus or sulfate ion should be also written as a subscript. So in order to make that, you should have to also select that. Then Ctrl plus Shift plus equal sign makes the number superscript. In another example, if you need to write 1 times 10 the raised 2, this number indicates that, but should be written as 1 times 102, but you need to make this 2 as a subscript. So you can also do like in a similar way what I do previously. 1 times 10 the raised 2. So Ctrl plus Shift plus equal sign will make the number superscript. So